Hi, this is Santosh Kumar and Sasi Kumar with Parthiban. I'm very high tech and knowledge in the development. Here we are going to present our short presentation. Topic of defense against sound processing attacks by using PCCP. Main objective of today, the important usability goal for authentication system is to create a better password. That is, often we want to create memorable passwords that are easy for the attackers to guess, but as simultaneously need to give a strong system assigned password that for the use. So these strong system assigned passwords are difficult for the user to remember. From that, our major goal is to reduce the guessing attack as well as encouraging the user to have more random and difficult passwords to guess. The attacks that most probably in us the existing systems are dictionary attacks and social attacks and the shoulder social attacks. Abstract approach. Here we use the passpoint. Passpoint is a graphical password system. Graphical password consists of an ordered sequence of 5 click points on a pixel image, pixel of the image. To log in into an site, a user must click with some system-defined tolerance region that's called as a click point. So the image acts as an input to help the users to remember their passwords in the click points. Each and every pixel have ordering some points that the region occupy to the password area. So in the existing system, the users often create the memorable words so that are easy for the attackers to guess. So despite these vulnerabilities, it's the user's natural tendency to use it that they will allow. They always prefer to go for the short word for passwords for easy of remembrance and also lack of awareness about how the attackers to attack. Unfortunately, the main disadvantage of the existing system passwords are broken easily by intruders. There are several simple means such as the mask querying, striping, and other good to say the dictionary attacks and brute force attacks, shoulder searching, and other attacks. So the disadvantage of strong system assigned the passwords are difficult for the user to remember. That's why we are giving proposal to reduce guessing attack as well as encouraging you to select the more random difficult passwords to guess. The proposal system works measures for processing click point and password guessing distance protocol is the protocol used in the system what we are going to propose. The main advantage of our system is as we know the human brain is a good in remembering the textual characters. If it good in remembering picture rather than the textual character. So these are basic system specification of our project. We need hardware requirements as possible Pentium version 4 with 2.4 GHz of speed and noise. Minimum we need 4 TCP to run our project and with the RAM speed of minimum 36 MB. The soft requirements of our operating system as Windows XP and coding we use the ASP.NET with the C#. And the backend we use the SQL for database functions. And this is the architecture diagram of our project. Here, the initial step of the user is to log in. So, if the user is not having an account, we want to register details and then create an account. After submitting the user details, by using the one password, he can enter into his first level of the account. If the username and password is wrong, we will provide an error message. So, after entering the correct username and password, we will to provide the PGCP password and then it tends to upload and download the files. So these are the 4 models existing in our project. First model is the user registration and login. As we said in the architecture diagram, you need to specify all the details and create a registration, create an account to log in into a system. So the second model of our project is the password creation using the images. Just we need to create the passwords by clicking the image. Also the each point on the pixel acts as a password for your system. And third is the interaction model. In this model, the user having some criteria to select the passwords. Like you must click in the code for creating the password. Before it will guide the user to select the more random passwords. The image is only and the image is replaced by the next image as soon as the user clicks at the click point. Finally, the PCCP password will be created and you tends to download the file. Here you can send the file to the ID which you need, and you can also simultaneously download the file which is in your. And this is a snapshot of our project. This is a login snapshot. And this is the second model. This is a user registration. Here you enter all your details, and you given the registration to all these boxes. So you need to compulsory you need to enter all your details in these boxes. And by pressing the next button, you will become to start about creating the passwords. Here you need to create the passwords as shown in this figure. By setting the part of the image or by clicking at the image, the password will be created for you. And this is the final step. After creating the passwords by using the images, you upload and download the file. Here you have the from to subject, file name, and the file upload boxes. And from it will be your name, and two you need to select the name to whom you to send the file, and then subject, and then about the file description, so the file name. Then you can upload. After uploading it, it will be sent to the respective user's ID. And these are the literature that we had to know in our project. And as a conclusion, to protect the application from the online password guessing, we have made this method. And TCP method is apparently more guessing attacks. It also offers a more convenient login experience. There are fewer challenges for the legitimate users. TCP method appears suitable for organizations of both small and large scale number of the user accounts. So these are the references we made. Thank you. Thank you.